Hey, welcome back to my YouTube channel. I'll be showing y'all today how I do my hair oils, my hair product. The first thing you're going to do is put some water in the pot. Then you're going to take the bowl and put it in there and let it's called double boiling. I think that's what it's called, I think. But stay tuned. The first thing what I'm going to do is put my olive oil in here. Next is my almond oil. Next is my tea tree oil. Next is my grape seed oil. Next is my hibiscus or something, however you say it. And the last one with the oils is Jamaican black castor oil. Make sure I get every bit of drop of my oils out of there. Next is the citron oils, and this is peppermint. The next one is lemongrass oil. The next one is relaxation, something like that. This okay. And the next one is breathe easy. And rosemary oil. I'm replacing this with mango oil because I don't have it right now. So what I'm gonna do is stir it up and get y'all closer. Stir it up. And when I get through stirring up the hibiscus, or however you say that word, it's gonna be soft. And my oils it helps with hair loss and dry scalp, itchy scalp. If you got a bald spot in your head, it will. I done had a lot of people telling me that my oil is good, and I believe it because I did it. But yeah, it's benefit for everything really. So this is how I make my oils. The next one I'm gonna do is my cream for my hair. The other one that I have, I'm gonna show y'all how to do that whenever I do it. Because this is the first step of, my stuff. I've been doing it, but I decided today to do a video of my oils. And I take it and stir it again. Make sure that, it's not sticking or anything, even though it's not going to stick. But I'm warming it up. I'm going to do it for like 5 more minutes. And then take it out and put it in my bowl. That's what I'm gonna do. Stay tuned. I'm gonna stir it up one more time. And another thing, this oil you can, let me see, how can I put this? Oh yeah, you can heat it up and use it for hot oil treatments. You can not actually heat it up in the microwave, nothing, but like, put it in a cup and hot water and sit it down, the bottle down in there, and um let it get warm and put it on your hair before you wash it. You can what else did I do with my stuff? You could put it on, well, coarse dry hair. Of course, dry hair. You can do it like that too. So, but me, I put it on my hair for hot oil treatments. I put it on my hair for my scalp dry, So I'm doing it again because I am putting it in this bowl so it could simmer in it for, you know. So I'm doing it again, but I didn't put the hibiscus in here this time. I didn't do it. So, and I'm about to pull it over in here in the bowl for y'all. When I'm done pulling it in there, y'all will see what I have created. Understand? Nah, I'm playing. Be back. Okay, this is final results of it. I'm gonna let it simmer for a little because I have to make 2 of these for somebody. But what you see in here, the white ones like this is the Jasmine Bloom, and it's some more like the green ones and stuff. That's Peppermint and red raspberry leaves. So yeah, this is what I have. This is what I have. This is what I have on it. Or of it, sorry. Again, here it is again. So I'm going to do is put the top on here. Put the top on to let it, get in there real good. So yeah, stay tuned for me to put the oils in the bottles. Hey, so I'm back. I did half of it. So I'm pulling it over in there. So I'm put it in here. It's going down in there. Gotta shake it a little bit because this thing is not fitting in the it's not fitting in there all the way. I don't know why, but it's not. I did the other one not halfway, but trying to see how I was gonna do this, but There you go. So here is the bottles that I just made. I'm gonna clean it off and put my top on here. Make sure it's on there right. Want nothing leaking out. We're cleaning it off real good. Still a little greasy, but I'm gonna do the other one like that. I switched it around so it won't be too greasy. Clean off the bottles. Real good to make sure that the oil is off of there so I can put my label on there. That's why I'm cleaning it off. So this is my label. Then I'm going to be putting right on there. See? Excuse me for me breathing like that in the camera. I mean in the mic. And I'm going to do it again. Let them know that this is my stuff. See? So that's it for this video. Don't mind my hair. I'm gonna get myself together, but this is what I did. And if you like what I did, make sure you like, share, and subscribe to my channel. Hit that bell notification so you know when I post another video. I'm trying to get my videos and stuff right. I see what I want to do, so I'm trying to get it. I'm trying to get myself together. But yeah, make sure you like, share, and subscribe and hit that bell notification. So I see y'all next time. Bye.